Welcome to another video from How the Universe Works. This one's on paper again because it involves diagrams. What I'm hoping to show you, it's something I thought of a few years ago in a physics lesson. It is the question of how hard would it be to adapt an X-ray machine into a gamma ray machine which could be used to take over the world. Right. An X-ray machine works thus. You have a power source, and that supplies a massive voltage to a cathode which is heated up. So loads of electrons are going there. Then because there's no more circuit here, they don't have anywhere to go. It's 3,000, I think. Other end, because this end's getting all the electrons, they're all being taken off this end, which ends up as a very strongly positively charged plate of tungsten. This is spinning round, so that all the electrons coming out of here don't all land in the same place and heat it up. There. So because this is full of electrons, and this is deficient in electrons, this is a really strongly negatively charged, and this is really strongly positively charged. And this is hot, so they're going to move around more. The electrons are all coming out of here and getting accelerated towards this plate here. So they hit it quite hard. Most of these, when they hit it, they just give their energy off as heat. But occasionally, one of them makes it into an X-ray. It's about 1% become X-rays. Now, what you could do now is whack up the voltage, right? So if you say you have, because then you would increase the force being applied to the electrons, because this would be more negative and this would be more positive. You increase the force applied to the electrons, they're moving faster, they're going to hit it with more energy, give out more energy. They've got enough more energy, the frequency of the rays is going to be so high that they're going to be gamma rays, which can be used for world domination. So you get something like this. With shitloads of volts. And then you've got your electrons coming out of here, accelerated towards this positively charged tungsten plate. And these are going to hit it. And the 1% now, because they've got more energy, the frequency of the rays is going to be higher. They're going to make gamma rays. Next step up from X-rays. Now, you got the problem here, though. they're going all over the place from this. You got gamma rays going off up here, down here, all over the place. What you need to do is put mirrors in here, which would reflect the gamma rays. So now the gamma rays are going towards the same point. And then you want to put in a lens. So you got the rays going like that into the lens. And they're focused to a point. Now, if you have a system where you can actually adjust the position of this lens, you can move the focal point of the lens to focus the gamma rays on the person you're trying to kill. Right? That would make just more powerful gamma rays on them. So they die more easily, so it'd be easier to take over the world by killing them. And not actually, because this would require shitloads of electricity. And then you got to plug it in somewhere, so you can't carry it around, really. It's only going to be useful as an anti-personnel thing. And a person you've killed with this is as dead as a person you've killed. Is no deader than a person you've killed with a gun. It's a completely useless thing, but it's gamma rays. It's gamma rays. Gamma rays take over the world. We've tried doing it with guns and it hasn't worked really very well. It's worked a bit. McDonald's and Coca-Cola work better as tools to take over the world than guns, but they're less portable and harder to use. And they're not gamma rays. I ignore guns, but this is gamma rays. This is gamma rays, and gamma rays take over the world. That's all from this episode of How the Universe Works. I hope you will now not try and take over the world, because I want to do it first. Thank you for watching.